What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop here on your iPhone device. AirDrop is a feature which comes inbuilt with iPhone, which allows you to transfer files from your iPhone device all the way to a different Apple device. The second Apple device can be a MacBook, can be an iPad, or vice versa. You can receive files such as photos, videos, and a lot more files being sent from a MacBook all the way to your iPhone device. I'm going to show you how to use it properly in today's video, and I'm also going to show you how to fix problems in case you find the AirDrop feature here grayed out and not able to be toggled on. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that problem as well. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into our tutorial today, we'll be talking about how we can use AirDrop and take advantage of it to transfer files seamlessly from an iPhone to another Apple device. So basically, AirDrop works using your Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. So the very first thing is you need to have both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on to ensure that this works seamlessly. You can also hop into settings in here and turn on Bluetooth manually here within settings as well as Wi-Fi before trying to use AirDrop, because you may be in a situation where you're trying to use it but it's not working because Wi-Fi or Bluetooth may be turned off. So in order to turn on AirDrop, you just need to bring down the control center, press and hold in here, and then press and hold on AirDrop and make sure you select it to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. So I would recommend you guys to always keep it off, okay, so you do not have any issues connecting with people you do not wish to connect throughout your journey every single day. Now, whenever you want to receive or send a specific file, simply tap in here and then tap on contacts only in case you have that contact of that person saved on your iPhone device. For example, if it's the iCloud of the person or the person's mobile number. So your iPhone has the capability to understand which contacts you have saved within your diameter or your specific area. Now, in case you are trying to receive a file from someone you do not know yet or you do not have a contact, you can simply press and hold and tap on everyone for 10 minutes. But I would recommend you guys to immediately turn this off as soon as you receive that specific file from that unknown person. Okay, because for security reasons, you may be in a situation such as, for example, at the train station where you do have a lot of people sending you stuff that is unwanted or getting some access to your phone or anything like that. It's a method, it's a way of getting connected to your phone, so you need to be cautious about that. Now, once we already turn it on, we're gonna hop into photos. For example, let's say that I have this photo that I wish to transfer. I'm gonna tap on share here real quick, and next up I'm gonna tap on AirDrop, right? So right now we'll be able to see all devices which are actually around myself that do have AirDrop turned on. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. For example, now it says no people found, and boom, here we go. I do have my MacBook nearby, and let's say that I wish to send that picture to my Mac. I'm gonna tap in here once. It's gonna ask me for a few seconds, and then it's gonna say that the picture has been sent successfully once I have accepted to receive that picture on my MacBook device. The way you saw my MacBook in here, I can actually be giving a look at an iPad, at a different iPhone, okay? So you can identify the device and then tap on it to send. Now, if you wish to receive, you do not need to actually share anything. You just need to wait like this, and then on the other device, simply share a specific photo, okay, using AirDrop, and then select your device in here. And this is how it looks like. For example, here we go. I'm receiving a picture. There we go. Tick mark. Boom. I've already received my picture here back sent from my MacBook to my iPhone device. Now, please note that if you're trying to receive files such as a PDF file or something like that, you can actually save it on a different location. For example, I'm gonna send a PDF document here to my iPhone from my MacBook. There we go, file has been reset and it's now here as a PDF file, okay? Now you can also save or share further. For example, if I tap on share, I can share on WhatsApp with someone. I can share on Gmail if I want to send it to someone through email, or I can also save it to my files down here. Okay, so we do have save to files. I can tap in here and then I can simply select a different location where I wish to save this specific document within files, and then I can access it later from files, okay, or through files. So this is how you receive documents depending on the format of that specific file. Now, if you wish to change your name on AirDrop, for example, let's say that your phone simply says iPhone 16 and you want to change it, for example, to your custom name, all you need to do is hop into settings, tap on general, and then simply tap in here on about. Okay, next up here at the top, you do have names. So you need to change your iPhone name in here by default, because what Apple does is it just takes the name that you do have under about of your phone and then it simply names it as an AirDrop. I wish in the next updates they do have a custom name that you wish to actually expose to other people. I hope Apple hears me and I hope they provide this feature. But at the moment, they only allow us to share the name of our iPhone which has been saved. So if you want to change it here and then you're good to go. Now, please note that in case you're trying to receive or to turn on AirDrop in here and you're having issues, for example, let's say that this is grayed out. I'm going to give an example. Let's say, for example, here, bringing down my control center, I'm trying to turn on AirDrop, but it's 100% grayed out. I'm unable to use AirDrop, as you can see right here. If you are facing this scenario in here, do not worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it. The very first thing I would recommend you guys to do is to hop into settings, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on and that Wi-Fi is turned on. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to screen time in here, tap into screen time, and then scroll down again and hop into content and privacy restrictions. Down here, you want to double check allowed apps and features to see if you have permission to use AirDrop. In my case, it's toggled off. I did it on purpose just to showcase it to you. If it's off, toggle it back on and then close it and you'll be good to go. AirDrop will start functioning well. This is one of the reasons why your AirDrop looks grayed out. Now, in case that doesn't help, I would recommend you guys to force restart your phone as soon as you've done that process, because you may be in a situation where you've actually changed it, but your phone hasn't yet updated the changes that you've made. In that case, you need to perform a forced restart, which is basically restarting your phone, and you will not lose any data. If you have an iPhone 8 or later models, in order to force restart, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button until you see the white Apple logo on your screen. I'm still pressing the power button. Do not release it for approximately 6 to 8 seconds. And once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release the power button. There we go. And let your iPhone turn on normally. That's how you perform a forced restart. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold continuously until you see the Apple logo and then release the buttons simultaneously. Now, if you have a much older device with a physical home button in here, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release both of the buttons combination. Now, please note that in much older devices, the power button is located here at the top. So you'll have to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button at the top until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how you use AirDrop on your iPhone, and I hope it really helped you out. If you find value here out of my content, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.